everybody, welcome back to the video. Today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be making Kryptonite. And if you don't know what Kryptonite is, it's basically, well, you don't like DC, but it's basically the rock. It's a gem slash rock that Superman is weak to, and it's his weakness, Kryptonite. So yeah, so we're going to be making that. Okay, so Kryptonite's really cool, and it's got a rock texture. So thank you, CG Geek. I watched your video. Thank you for helping me make rocks. So basically, make rocks. So we're gonna add a subdivision modifier, subdivision surface. So you go to this tab, click modifier, and add subdivision surface. So this will pop up then, all right? And your cube will turn into some weird circle thing. And then you want a levels viewport. You want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just keep it at 4. We don't need to go to 5. And that's about good. Now we're gonna add modifier again. This time we're gonna add a, where is it? Where is the modifier? 1 second. Oh, geez. Okay, hold up. 1 second, guys. I'll be back. Just got to. What on earth is going on? I don't know. What is going on? Okay. All right. So let's look for the modifier. It's somewhere here. There it is. Displace. So I'm going to do the displace modifier, so it looks like this. Now, this will pop up under the subdivision. I'm going to do new, right? New. And direction. No. And we're just going to name this rock. Because why on earth not, right? Because it sounds good. And then what we need to do is, I think, hold up, give me 1 second, guys. Then what we need to do is basically we need to do the texture. Yeah, that's it. No, I'm kidding. That's not it. Can you imagine? No. We need to go to the Voronoi Texture, I think. And no, let's go to, actually, I doubt it'll be here. So let's go to the Texture tab. Where are you, Voronoi? There you are. Voronoi Texture. Ooh. We could just keep it as that, but I think I'm gonna intensity a bit. Oh. Never mind. That did not. Okay. I'm gonna change the size just a bit. Ooh, that's weird. It's like dancing. Here. This is good. Alright. So, now we shade smooth. What the heck? What? And we're just gonna pull it this way. I'm just gonna pull some this way. No, I'm kidding. Ours does not look like that. It actually, I'm gonna pull it this way a bit. Like this, alright? Alright. So, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the background to black. So you go to this tab, this earth tab, and you go all the way black, right? All the way black. I don't think it worked because it only works in render mode. So basically, this ain't render mode. Don't mistake it for this. Is like preview render mode. So we're gonna click material. We're gonna name this Kryptonite. Okay, we're gonna do emission, and we're gonna change the color of the emission to. Not do this green. Let's do a bit nicer green than this. Green. And we're gonna go bloom. Did I even click it? I did. Now we can go back to the textures, put up the strength like loads. And it's not bad, honestly. Oh, that's actually pretty good. We are now going to change this to alpha clip. You know, let's keep it at opaque. And then this actually pretty much is your Kryptonite. You know, this is your Kryptonite. But say you wanted a more cut, clean version of Kryptonite. Like a Kryptonite that has been like, I don't know, this is like raw Kryptonite in its finest form or something. Okay, we'll just leave that aside. And okay, so there you're gonna do Shift A. If you want the cut clean version, we're gonna go to, where is it? Meatball. Oh, Metaball. I saw meatball. Okay, So we're gonna go to diamonds. Wait, what are extras? Oh yeah, no. Diamonds, brilliant diamond, diamond and gem. You're gonna go brilliant diamond. No, let's just go with gem because it's not really a diamond. Oh, they look like they all look the same, but whatever. And so you've got this, right? You don't want to. You just want to do the same thing here. You just add this. And that's pretty much it, honestly. Hold up. What if I want to do it on cycles on a plane, you say? And I want to make it look like metal, you say? I say, you add a plane in, right? Scale it up to 88, or I don't know why I always do 88. It's just the easiest. You tap 1. I don't know if you have that enabled. I said that in the last video. No one cares. Okay, now down here, now you just rotate it to your fitting. Same with this one. Let's just move this up a bit. Alright, so we've got 2 forms of kryptonite, right? Alright, cool. Okay, now you say, wait a minute, you say, I thought you were going to do metal texture. I will, I say, and I go and say, okay, the plane, I click the plane, right? I go new, and I'm going to do this, ready? It's not just going to be metallic, like I did for the last lightsaber, I think it was. I'll name it metal. Bleh. No, just metal. And now we're going to go here. We're going to click this yellow dot. We've never done this before, and this will pop up. We're going to go image texture. Now, if you have your phone nearby, look up a picture on your phone. Look up a picture of metal texture, all right? Then you airdrop it to your computer. All right, so once you've done that, you're going to click open, and you should have it somewhere here. I do. I really hope it's this one. Is it this one? Metal? Yeah, this is not the one I like. Let's switch it up. Let's do this one. That's not even metal. Let's get rid of that. And let's just do the last one. I hope this is actually metal. That's not helpful at all. That's the flash look. Let's just do the first one that we did. This one. It's not all too bad. Okay. So once we've done that, you do Option, Command, or Control Alt 0. All right, and then you're gonna go here, up here. This thing, it says render on Eevee. No, cycles. Now we're gonna click this thing, and you're gonna see this, because it's on cycles. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it on Eevee, because cycles take super long to load. It doesn't take super long, but it takes quite a while. And then you're gonna render that. Please, there we go. That's done rendering. Now this is your kryptonite, and you're gonna do save as. And name it Kryptonite, or whatever you want to name it. Save kryptonite PNG. Oh, I already have kryptonite PNG. Okay, so I'm gonna Control S, save this as Kryptonite vid blend. No, Kryptonite vid, please. Yeah, now save the blender file. Now we can X out of this, and oh look, what's this? Oh wait, no, that's a blend. Please don't open. Thank God. No, it opened. It opened. Job. I don't need you. Whew, that was close. And the image for some reason didn't save. Why? Oh, Voronoi lightsaber did. Do you guys remember this cool thing? But please work. I'll name that something else than E. Alright, well, that's basically what the flip is this. Ah, yes, Voronoi lightsaber. But anyways, it saved. And I did the same thing. You just do that. Yeah, cool. Alright. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!